Okay, so it finally came. My Trixie Cosmetics. Been wanting to buy this for a while. Just get in here, show you all what I got. Damn, they taped this shit up good. Maybe I should have done this before recording. Okay, so there is the Skinny Legend. This is her new box set. I wish I could have gotten that, but if you know me, you know I don't really spend a lot of money on makeup. So I got her Summer of Love palette and her Back to the Fuchsia palette. Let's go ahead and open. Oh wow. Okay, before I even open this, like, I know you can't really tell through video, but damn, that is really well made. So there's the Back to the Fuchsia. There's the highlighter. There's the more intense blush. And there's the kind of more softer blush. I have seen looks where she uses her eye palette or her blush palettes for eye looks. So I thought maybe that'll be a little fun. And then, oh, they taped it over. That one they tape over. I wanted to also get her Mod About You palette, which is a little more 70s vibe, orangey, but yeah. And that icy white highlighter. So I love these palettes. I cannot wait to use them. I think I'm actually, because I'm planning on actually going out to the movies with some friends. Hold on, let me get it back in its sleeve. So certain little gremlins, Henry McCoy, Ricardo Jack, George Thomas, don't, let's see, will it let me flip the camera around? Not while I'm recording. Okay, so 1, 2, flip. So I'm actually getting ready to go out to the movies with some friends. And I already got this green lipstick and I got green eyeshadow. I think the fuchsia blush is actually going to be really pretty with it. So, yay! Hopefully I can get more Trixie Cosmetics. But for those that, it is actually very affordable for makeup. And these products are vegan friendly. And I just, oh my god, I love the cover art. That is definitely, I think people would figure this would be my vibe, but believe it or not, this is also kind of my vibe. I love it. Hopefully you get the Mod About You. And I want to get her eyeshadow palette. And I also want to get some of her lipsticks. But, oh my god, love it. And this box, oh my god, I cannot wait. I might actually, I love that they put, like, tissue paper in it. Makes it so fancy. But cannot wait to use it. Oh, I just realized this. This one, I don't know if it's meant to be, but this one's a little more, I don't know if you can tell. Like, this is, yeah, you can kind of tell through the camera. This is clear, it's kind of more tinted. So I absolutely cannot wait. Henry, you excited? Are you excited? So I will show you guys the actual look when I do it. Until then, Henry, Rico. Rico want babas? Do you want to go bye-bye? Do you want to go to the park? Do you want to go to the store? That got George. All right, I'm going to cut it there. So, bye.